Children, our first lesson in EVS 2 is Maharashtra before Shivaji. As you can see here, Shivaji Maharaj's birth anniversary is celebrated with great pomp and reverence. We sing songs and povadas in his honor. You can see this in the slide. On the left is the rally and on the right is the povada performance. Now children, you can see somebody in this slide and I hope you can guess who this person is. He is none other than Shivaji Maharaj. He was a great man and he lived during the medieval period. Now what is the meaning of medieval period? In the timeline of history, we have the ancient period, the medieval period and the modern period. So Shivaji Maharaj, he lived during the medieval period. Now, in those days, monarchy or the rule of the kings prevailed everywhere. So there were kings ruling us. Now who were those kings? Now this period witnessed some great kings like the Mughal Emperor Akbar in the north and Emperor Krishna Devaraya of Vijayanagar in the south. Now as you can see on this slide, to your left is the Mughal Emperor Akbar and to your right is Emperor Krishna Devaraya. So these were the kings of that time. Shivaji Maharaj also belonged to the galaxy of these great kings. Now here you can see our state of Maharashtra. So years before Shivaji was born, Maharashtra was ruled by two great powers. They were the Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and Adil Shah of Bijapur. Now children, you can see in this slide, to your left is Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and to your right is Adil Shah of Bijapur. These two sultans had divided Maharashtra among themselves. They appointed officers who ruled Maharashtra on their behalf. These sultans, they did not respect other religions. People were not allowed to celebrate their festivals. They could not worship their gods openly. Now you can see in your slide how people are tortured. They were not sure of safety even in their own homes. But these two sultans, they did not bother about these people. The sultans themselves constantly fought against each other. The kingdom of Maharashtra was therefore disturbed by their constant fights. Now, as you can see in this slide, in Maharashtra, there were also many Vatandas like Deshmukhs and Deshpandes. The sultans had gifted the Deshmukhs and Deshpandes Jagirs. These Vatandas too were only interested in their Jagirs. They did not care for their people. They also fought among themselves. And so the people were very unhappy and they were tired of their oppression. Now you can see in this slide, see the people here are very unhappy. Now, during this period, Shivaji Maharaj was born. And as you can see in your slide, Shivaji Maharaj could see the suffering of his people. He grew up seeing all this and could not bear to see his people suffer. You can see how the people are being tortured. So Shivaji wanted to do something for his people. So Shivaji decided to establish Hindvi Swaraj. He knew that only Hindvi Swaraj could free his people from their suffering. Now children, what does Hindvi Swaraj mean? Hindvi Swaraj means rule of the local native people. Now what does this mean? The word Hindvi means the local people or native people. And the word Swaraj means self-rule. Now, in order to establish Hindvi Swaraj, Shivaji had some idea in his mind. Now, what was his idea? He first turned his attention to meet the Vatandas. He spoke to them and told them to stop fighting among themselves. He convinced them for Hindvi Swaraj. Finally, the Vatandas agreed to join hands with Shivaji for their benefit. Now Shivaji used them in his plan to establish Swaraj. After getting help from the Vatandas, Shivaji defeated the sultans, that is Nizam Shah and Adil Shah. So after defeating them, then Shivaji established Hindvi Swaraj based on justice, fair play and equal treatment to people of all caste and religions. Shivaji made no distinction between Hindus and Muslims. For Shivaji, the Hindus and Muslims were the same. Now, as you can see in this slide, during a period of about 300 to 400 years before Shivaji Maharaj, many saints were born in Maharashtra. Their work helped Shivaji Maharaj in his successful effort of establishing Swaraj. Now, in our next lesson, we will see about the work of these saints.